This is Scrapbook.com and we're at the Reminisce booth looking at a new Halloween line called Pumpkin Hallow. And this line is all about pumpkins, spooky ones, happy ones, so on and so forth. So this is the Pumpkin Hallow kit, and you get 8 12x12 papers, 2 sheets per design, and a coordinating sticker sheet. So we'll take a look at the sticker sheet. Here's the sticker sheet that has all sorts of sayings, perfect for Halloween, like monsters, trick or treat, ghouls just want to have fun, super fun. And we'll look at a couple papers in the line too. There we go. I want to share this happy pumpkin. He almost looks like he's planning something. Really creepy, fun pumpkin. Love the bright colors. Reminisce is known for their high quality, brightly colored paper. And then I'll share this pumpkin too, or another little happy pumpkin in the graveyard. Really, again, beautiful colors. And then here we have a layout that was created with this collection to give you a little bit of inspiration on how you can use Reminisce's new line, Pumpkin Hallow. Thanks for watching. This video was filmed by Scrapbook.com at the 2018 AFCI Mixed Media event in Sandy, Utah. If you want to see more from Scrapbook.com, please like, share, subscribe, and leave a message. Happy crafting!